Hello guys! I apologize for the subpar commentary on the last two videos, as I apologize for the continuing bad quality in terms of video quality.
Is someone coming?
Oh, of course.
Is that you, Hotnear?
The thing is, I can do something about the first one. I can't do anything about the second one, because I really don't know how to work this. As you can see by the watermark on top of the screen, this is the demo version of Bandicam, and to be frank, I don't even know how to work the demo version, let alone have the skills necessary to work with the full one. So I'll just try and figure out anything. I don't know. I'll just tinker around with whatever the hell it is I have in the options and see if it actually works. We'll just start the timer here. I'll switch to it. Okay. Can I punch through web? Fists of feline fury. Okay. There we go. And of course the giant spider. This is gonna suck. This is gonna be one of the worst parts of this video. Hello, sir. I wonder if I can kill the spider by punching it to death. Then again, it would. Oh no. Okay. What? This is master, right? That spider just managed to hit me without doing any damage. What? Oh, I did not just dodge. Fuck you, spider. Oh, come on. This is the problem with having a fucking longbow. Arrow spam. What the hell? There we go. Now that's some proper damage. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. Oh, come on now! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, okay, I'm quick saving, Oh, stop yelling! Jesus! This is why no one takes Dark Elves seriously in this game. They're all a bunch of whiny bitches. Okay, maybe not in Windhelm, but they have some sort of something in Windhelm. Okay. I'm about to do something really stupid. I'm just gonna try and punch this thing to death. There we go. This is how you kill a spider. Killing blow with my fists of feline fury. Oh, I get to keep 7 of my arrows. Now, obviously, instead of helping the guy, I'm just gonna loot the urns. You know, in case you didn't realize already, that guy's just gonna betray you the second he actually gets freed. So, I'm gonna skip the dialogue altogether because I really, really can't be asked. Oh, shut up! Damn it! Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna just cut you down with my fists and claws. There we go. Wow, my claws are OP. It's bear, moth, and bear, moth, owl. I'll try to remember that. It's bear, moth, owl. Okay. Ooh, soul gem. It's not gonna have anything, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna quick save, but it's just for me to see one very important thing. I want to see if I can use my fists to quick save. I want to see if I can use my fists to stealth attack someone. Do I get a bonus? Okay, F8. F8! Sorry about that, I really am. I just want to see if I can use this to... Ooh, I don't know. I want to see if I get the attack bonus. Apparently not. Okay. I'll just go with the traditional daggers then. God damn it. Iron dagger fine. Iron dagger fine. Okay. I'm still gonna wake up everyone else. See? I don't even get the fucking thing. God damn it. Alright. Get up. No one gives a shit about you. Ah! No, no, no! Ouch! Ouch. Did I not wake you up? Seriously? Didn't I wake you up? Wow. Well, I guess... Wow. Huh. Convenient. Alright. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, and I just recouped my iron arrows. Okay. Quick save. Again. I want the fucking stealth bonus. There we go. Sneak attack for 3x damage. And it does nothing. God damn it. No, 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 no axe, no axe, no axe. Axe is bad. Axe is... Oh shit, the other one woke up. Woke up. Ah, no, no. Ooh, armor increased to 18. Okay. Hello, sir. And the other one just gave up? What? It does not feel like playing on Master. Then again, I am playing as a Khajiit stealth character, so maybe it does. Weird. Okay. Carefully now. Place the shot! There we go. And because he obviously can't see me. Alright! I have a circlet. I don't know, I kinda like the way it looks. I don't know, I kinda do. I'm warming up to this circlet of archery. Plus it actually saves on armor. I wonder how I can use this. I do wonder how I can use this with a restless Draugr that's just going ahead. Am I recording this? Oh, thank God I am. Oh. In fact, I'm not even gonna go any closer. I'm just gonna stay back and hit it with the fucking daggers. Daggers? Arch. Longbow. Fuck you. Come on, step on it. Oh, come on. I went through all this work just to get you through the fucking trap. I gotta abuse the game a little. Okay. L for stamina. Stamina! Jesus! Health. Now, what should I pick? I'm guessing maybe archery? Or sneak. Oh, I'm gonna go with sneak because 6 times damage. Oh, right. Backstab is dead useful. Get it? Dead useful. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. I don't like you. There we go. Okay, problem solved. You know, for undead thingies that have been long gone for centuries, these guys do know how to avoid traps. So maybe their brains haven't degraded or something. Ugh. I feel ashamed having to use this. Wow. These aren't daggers, these are knives. These are kitchen knives to cut butter. Ugh, I'm ashamed to use this. So apparently Draugr snore. Very carefully. Now! Damn it. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you. There we go. No, 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 no. I'm not here. I'm not here. Stop looking for me. Stop looking for me. Stop looking for me. Okay. Well, sir, you just line up the shot. If I do get a headshot, do I get a bonus? Yes. Not. The ancient Nord bow, whatever. This thing is a must-have for me. Is that a one-handed sword or a two-handed sword? It's a two-handed sword. Run! Oh, let me see if he can fall for the trap. Seriously? Oh, no, did not fall for the trap. Oh, that corpse went flying. Ah, ouch. That corpse went flying. If I was playing as a mage, I'd have an army of zombies right now. Unfortunately, I'm not playing as a mage, so... I thought that was a bow. Oh. Ancient Nord bow. I'm not gonna take the arrows. Let's see. How much I do with a longbow? 9 and an ancient Nord bow for 12. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the ancient Nord bow. Okay. Oh wait, someone's still asleep? What? I can hear something. I can hear Draugr snoring somewhere. I didn't realize there was a chest here! Holy shit! Okay. Open it! Open it! Oh, thank God. I thought it... Once again, I break a pin on an apprentice. 2 pins! You guys did not just see this. Oh, God. Ooh. I can get all of this. Wait, does dehydrated kill me? Nah. Just reduced magicka and health rate. Like, because obviously the best way to go around this is to carefully step in between the blades. Or fuck it, I don't care. There we go. Problem solved. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Yeah, because I'm obviously just gonna go ahead and try to attack him sneakily from the... I wonder how much damage I do with this. Oh! Respectable damage. There we go. See, this is how you play a sneak character. You break the game with your stealthiness. I don't want the Nord sword. Nord sword. Nord sword! Okay. Okay. Carefully now. But I want to show you guys how to properly ambush something. It's right behind me, isn't it? Oh, thank God it isn't. Hello, sir! Wake up! There we go. Okay. See if I can... And hit it! And that's right, just stay there. Just stay there on top of the fucking plane. No, 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 ow, 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 ow. Fuck you. You're part... I can't help but notice this guy does not have genitals. Oh wait, that's a loincloth. Okay, never mind. Oh, never mind. That's a loincloth. Because even ancient, long dead, undead have some sense of decency. Fuck you, Bethesda. This is why Bethesda, isn't it? Because I don't want to make a fool of myself. Oh, am I kidding? I've been making a fool of myself for 4 videos already. Quick save. What time is it? Ooh, I'm gonna have to finish this soon. I wonder if I can provoke that guy out of coming out of that. Hello, sir? No? Okay. See, it's scripted. It's not really about sound, it's about you being there. Come on. Come on. Come on. In fact, I'm not even gonna use this. I'm gonna use my fists! Haha! See? Killing undead Draugr with my fists! Feline fury! Anything behind the waterfall? There's nothing behind the waterfall. I used to find all sorts of things behind the water. Why don't I just take magicka? Ah, damn it. Okay, activate the keychain. Chain. Not keychain, just chain. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. Ooh, ominous. Holy shit, I said ominous, not ominous. I'm so proud of myself. I wonder if I can drink from this. No? Okay. Whatever you say, sir. Fucking TRO. Ooh, glowing mushrooms. Glowing mushies. Shrooms. Okay. Iron ore. Oh. See, I don't know. I find that hard to believe that someone would die from mining with a pickaxe and it's... Listen, how did that guy even get here? How did that guy even get here between all the Draugr? Maybe the Draugr killed him and then returned to sleep. Ugh, that's a... Can't drink here! No? Fuck you! Damn it. More chests, more chests. I have to use all of this. Oh. Alright, scrolls don't take mana. Oh, just use the scroll and that's it. Okay. Very carefully now. Thank God for my long draw distance. Thank God for my good computer. There we go. Switching to all range mode. With my fists! Haha. Did I knock out your skull? Oh no, wait, that's a... How did a gazelle skull get down here? Oh right, it's a hole. I wonder if this hole is a real-life counterpart. I wonder if I go... Nah, probably not. It's just benevolent architecture. Okay. Skeever tail. Anything behind it? There's room, but there's not anything! Wait, anything here? Anything in this niche? No, okay. Fuck you. Can I drink this? Hey, yes, I can drink this. Thank God. There we go. I can drink this. Am I also hungry? Yes, I am. Okay. Food I have. I have food. I have tons of cabbage. Wow. Such a securely locked chest. Iron sword. Petty soul gem. Am I still hungry? What? And still dehydrated for some reason. Just drink! There's water right here! Okay. Thank you. Quick saving because this video is about to end soon. Quick save. I suppose this is the right way. I don't know. Oh, okay. This is the right way, I think. Okay. Oh, I remember this part. This is where I have to fight the invincible Draugr. At least this one does not actually do magic, I think. Okay. Begin dancing. No, stupid fucking walls. You're a stupid Draugr. Yes, you are. Oh no, wait. No, wait. Okay, just not magic. Need Volan. Yes, of course. I don't know what that means. I think I'm gonna learn. I will learn Draconic, just because it's that cool. Come on, right over here. I gotta finish you with my fists. There we go. I took a battle axe to the face, but I don't care. Okay. Well, I think that's enough for now. I think I've actually gone through and finished the 20 minutes. So I'll see you next time when I face off against the boss Draugr and get the Dragon Stone from Bleak Falls Barrow. So see ya.